Afternoon students. So today's topic is isosters. So I'm going to discuss a very small topic, that is isosters. These are molecules or ions which have identical Lewis structure. They have same atomicity and they have equal number of electrons. They have identical Lewis structures, they have same atomicity and they have equal number of electrons. So look at this, methane. Methane atomicity is 5. The atomicity of methane is 5 and the atomicity of ammonium ion is also 5 because there are 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen, that makes it 5. Now let's count the number of electron. Carbon has 6 electron, hydrogen has 1, so 4 hydrogen makes it 4, so there are 10 electrons. Nitrogen has 7, hydrogen has 1, so 1 4 is 4 plus 7 11 and 1 positive charge decreases 1 electron, so there are 10 electrons. So what you see that methane also has 5 atoms, 4 hydrogen, 1 carbon. Ammonium ion also has 5 atoms, 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogen. Both have 10 electrons, and if you see the structure, they have similar or identical Lewis structure. They have similar or identical Lewis structure. So these are called isosters. These are called isosters. Now look at the other example. CO2. Carbon dioxide has atomicity 3. N2O has dinitrogen oxide has atomicity 3, CNO minus has 3, NO2 plus has 3. Now if you count the number of electrons in all these, you will find that carbon has 6, oxygen has 8, 2 just 16, 16 plus 6 is 22 electron. Nitrogen has 7, 2 just 14, 14 and 16, 14 and 8, 22. Now carbon has 6, nitrogen has 7, 6, 7, 13 and oxygen has 8, 21 and 1 minus charge additional, that means you have to add, so 22 electron. Nitrogen has 7, oxygen has 6, 8, 2 just 16, 16, 7, 23 and 1 plus charge means 1 electron you have to remove, so 22 electron. That means these are the species which have equal number of electrons, same atomicity, and for your information student, atomicity is the total number of atoms present in any molecule or species. Like here carbon dioxide has 3 atoms, 1 of carbon, 2 of oxygen, N2O has 2 nitrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom, CNO has 3, 1 carbon, 1 nitrogen, 1 oxygen, 3 atom, NO2 has 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygen, so 3. So all have atomicity 3 and their electrons are also 22. That means equal number of electrons. That means equal number of electrons. Now let's see few more example. NO3 minus nitrate ion. So if you see here, total atomicity is 4 here. Here also atomicity is 4. Carbonate ion, atomicity is 4. Borate ion, orthoborate ion. So here also you see that atomicity is 4. So in every case the atomicity is 4. Now let's count the number of electrons. So nitrogen is 7, oxygen is 8, 3 jet 24, 24, 25. So it will be 32 electrons. Carbon has 6, 8, 3 ja 24 and 26, so that is also 32. So boron is 5 and 8, 3 ja 24, 26, 24, 26. So it will be 3 minus student, BO3 3 minus, because it is S3BO3 it is derived from, so it will be 27, so it is 32 electron. So you found that in nitrate ion, carbonate ion and orthoborate ion, every species has equal number of atomicity, that is 4, and every species has equal number of electron, that is 32. Now ammonium ion has 10 electron, hydronium ion also has 10 electron, and the atomicity in both the cases are 4. The atomicity in both the cases are 4. So now coming to ClO3, atomicity is 4 here, atomicity is 4 here. So you will find that if you count the number of electrons, 17, 8, 3 is 24, 25. So it is 40, 50, 42, no? 32, 42 electron. Now sulfur is 16, oxygen is 24 plus 26, so it is also 42. So you have found that here atomicity is 4 and electrons, total electrons are 42. So these are the species student in which you have found that they have same atomicity, similar Lewis structure, and they have equal number of electrons. So these species are called isosters. Prepare student, this will be really useful for your entrance exam. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. This is Sandeep sir signing off.